Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dream Italia. I'm your Madan. Today we are going to discuss about some important as well as some recent update which we got it from the Mumbai Embassy. So the major topic is like who can be the sponsor and financial support for the year if we have to show for 1 year or else it is a 2 year as per recent update, and a personal loan or education loan can be accepted for this year or not. This is a three major update we got it from the Mumbai Embassy. So especially though this update is especially applicable for the Mumbai Embassy. For Kolkata and Delhi Embassy, if I get any recent update or else if we are getting updates in the future, then I'll try to post it in the separate video. And those who belong from the Mumbai, so this is a video for you people, and don't forget and try to watch the full video. And those who are watching this video without any subscriptions, try to subscribe my YouTube channel Dream Italia, and please do the needful for me, and your small subscriptions will give me a great support, and it will create a great difference for me. So thank you so much in advance basis. So let's go to the video without any time delay. As I already said you, we can show the show money in three ways. First is like self account, then second is like a sponsorship account, then third is like a education loan. Okay, self account, in this category I would like to say still there are some people many confusions. Can I show the amount from sponsor account or self account, like that there are some people who have lot of confusions especially under the show money. So I would like to say some brief explanation for them. Self account, this is specifically for the people who is already working or recently relieved from one organizations, and you are maintaining some considerable amount and you have n number of transactions in your self account. It is a savings account or current account, that doesn't matter. You can go with your account actually. If you have a n number of transactions and if you have a consistent amount, you are maintaining a consistent amount in your account, then you can go with the self actually without any hesitations. But make sure you have all the alternative, the source document, which I would say the ITR for 3 years, and also the form 16. And in terms of people don't those who some people don't have the ITS and all, then you can make sure whether you have a pay slip and pay slip or salary credit message or salary credit evidence and all, work experience letter, relieving letter, like that and all. Make sure about this as a source document for your self account. Then the sponsor, in the sponsor I would say the previous update and this year update, what and all the amendments happened especially from the embassy. Till 2019, the parents, till 2019 academic year, parents only, the dad or mom, I mean your father or your mother or else your siblings, either your brothers and sisters or cousin brothers, blood relatives, they can be a sponsors actually. So apart from the blood relatives or from your parents, a third person can't able to be as a sponsor till 2019 academic year. Then 2020 academic year, the embassy made some amendment. It is like a drastic changes I would say. In that what they did, they just accepted and they announced one update. The third person also can be a sponsor, even though maybe he may be your friend or he may be your employer, whatever, whomever it may be. So a third person also acceptable in the last year. This is really a good things. And from the embassy side, I think this was made it because of the COVID situations, because you all were due to the pandemic situations, everyone are suffering a lot, especially in the financial wise. Most of the peoples are lost their jobs already, so embassy made some amendments. This year also initial time it was like that only, but now recently today embassy made some amendments in their old updates, which is like the sponsor, as per recent update, again I'm telling, as per recent update, a sponsor should be your parents. Either you can show as your father account or else you can go with your mother account. Apart from that, even siblings or else blood relatives also not acceptable, especially for this academic year from today onwards. So make sure whether you are going to show your father or your mom as a sponsor if you are going for sponsorship account instead of self. Then third thing is education loans or personal loans are acceptable now or not, like that. You know what, education loans are acceptable. As I already said you can show the money in three ways, either self account and sponsorship account, and also this education loan account. We have some advantages, especially in this education loan account. For example, if you are getting an education loan, then you don't want to submit any bank balance certificate and you don't want to submit any bank statement. As per embassy checklist, you have to show the 3-month minimum bank statement, right? In this scenario, you don't want to submit any bank statement, and only the loan sanction letter you can go with that full amount. So this is the easiest method, I think so. Though, so those people are facing some lot of issues for getting the for arranging the amount, then you can go with the try to get the education loan. And there are some lot of easiest way, and there are some portals available for getting a education loan. If you are approaching directly to the bank, definitely the people will delay your process. So try to apply in a Vijayalakshmi portal, and try to approach We Make Scholarship. There will be some there will be lot of schemes available. And also, for your kind information, still up to 7.5 lakhs, you don't want to show any collateral as per law. So whenever you are going to get the education loan, you are going to approach any bank, make sure till 7.5 lakhs you don't want to show any collateral. So without any hesitations, you can upload you can apply via the Vijayalakshmi portal also. Regarding the same, I will make one brief detailed video in the future actually. Then we will go to the today major topics. As I said, who can be the sponsor. I said you previous scenario. Now the father or mother can be your sponsor. Without your father, your mother, you can't able to mention anyone as your sponsor from today onwards, as per recent update. The second thing, the duration of the show money has been increased from 1 year to 2 year. As per 2020 academic year, you have to show only the 1 year financial support, which is like 5,977 euros. This year it was changed to 5,984 euros. You have to show it for 1 year. And now they have made the drastic changes, especially in this 1 year to they just made it as a 2 years. So it is mandated to submit the financial source and a financial document, and other show money. You have to make it for 2 years, not for 1 year. So those people who are already applied and those are planning to apply in the upcoming days, try to make sure about your financial support, because for visa, financial support and your cover letter plays a major role. So try to focus on those areas particularly. And what else? Yeah, as I said you, the year has been increased from 1 year to second year. So make sure your as per Indian rupees, you have to show at least more than 11 lakhs. And the education loan, as I already mentioned, education loan is acceptable, and the personal loan is not acceptable. Okay, so make sure you are going to get the education loan. And for Kolkata embassy, I heard the education loan is not acceptable by their people. So again, I'm telling, this update is specifically applicable for the Mumbai embassy. And you can see drastic changes from in between the Mumbai embassy, Kolkata embassy and the Delhi embassy. So for Mumbai embassy people, you can follow those updates from today onwards. And third scenario is, what and all the alternative ways or alternative document or alternative sources to show the to arrange or to fulfill the show money for the entire 2 years, like that. In this you can show the fixed deposit. Many people asked me the fixed FT is applicable or not, whether can I show the FT and all. Definitely you can't show the FT alone as a financial support, because it is not a, it's like a solid cash, right? You can't able to break it whenever you want. There will be some criteria, there will be some procedures and all for that specifically. So make sure, if you have a FD account, fixed deposit, then try to broken your fixed deposit account and get the amount, and deposit the same amount to your self account or else the sponsor account, wherever you are going. Whether you are planning to go with the self means, you can broke the fixed deposit amount and show it to the, and send the same deposit same to the self account. And if you are planning to go with the sponsor account, then broke the same fixed deposit, and submit as a proof whether you are broking, right? So that you will get some proof. Try to submit the same things, and make sure you have all the documents and everything, because this year embassy is very very strict, and they are literally changing their rules day by day. So you have to be strong, you have to be strong financially, and make sure you have all the clear document in terms of source document where you got the amount. For example, you are planning to show like 11 lakhs, you have to make sure where you got the 11 lakhs. You need to show the ITR, and also you need to provide the clarifications, you need to provide the affidavits. So these things and all you have to focus in a deep manner for getting a successful visa. And what else? Again, it is applicable for the Mumbai embassy alone. So Kolkata embassy and Delhi embassy and other country embassy peoples, if I get any updates, I will let you know in the upcoming videos. And again, this is my humble request. One thing I would like to remind the every people, those people who have a lot of confusions, or else any if you want any clarification, don't send a mail directly to the embassy. Because of your individual scenario, it will become like a general update for everyone. Because now I saw some updates and other I saw some screenshots and all which you already queried for the embassy people. Like ITR is mandatory. If ITR is mandatory, then how many years I need to show? Either it's 1 year or 2 year. Then embassy is replied it's for 3 years. You have to show is as a mandatory basis. Till last year, ITR is not mandatory for Mumbai embassy specifically, but now this year they made it as a mandatory basis. So whatever the queries available, the scenario will be specifically, I would say only one thing. Each and every people have their own scenario, which means own the individual based, the criteria will be differ actually. For example, I would say one profile has one financial support scenario, means another profile has another financial support scenario. So don't confuse yourself for each and everything. Don't go to the embassy, don't ask them. If you're asking them, then it will become like a general update for every people. Like I would say the example, the financial support also for the 2 years, now it is become like that only. And the ITR mandatory is become as an update because of the query only. So try, there are a lot of groups available, especially I would say in our prospective students in Italy. We are working 24/7, our moderators and our group members, and there are a lot of seniors available. So make a use of them. Just try to post your queries and all. There are a lot of people always ready to help you. If you are not getting the enough clarity, then go with the embassy and try to get the update. And if you get any update, try to share it in the group. And uh, I think this video would be very very useful for every people. And let me know in case if you're having if you need any further clarifications or a specific video, especially for the self account, or else especially for the sponsorship account, how to get the education loan. If you have any other doubts, try to mention in the comment sections. If you like this video, again it's my humble request, try to share it to your friends, and try to watch the full video, and please subscribe it. This is my again the humblest request. Stay safe, let's hope for the best. Until then, it's tata, bye bye, Madan. Okay, bye.